started my van life journey 4 years ago, and here's a peek into my purchase date.
Oh my god. Might be my new house. Let's see. Let's walk around it. It just got washed. Dual wheels.
I was so excited about my new home on wheels. I took a few shots, pictures inside, and with my new keys in the cellar. And off I go with my Freightliner Sprinter, a 2019 144 wheelbase high roof cargo van. These are my two vehicles, Pemberley and Pearl. First night in the van, I just went to a Planet Fitness, worked out for an hour. The back is full, so I'm sleeping up front. This is my vision board, everything I wanted in the van. This is everything that inspired me. And then I hit the road. My first trip was to Dallas in December 2020 to clean out my storage unit. Then most of my trips after that was to St. Louis and Sykeston. And here's my van purchases. A lot of Havelock wool, Max Air fans, skylight, water tanks, everything to start.
Alright, day one, or really day two. I got everything cleaned out. I just swept. I'm getting ready to do a light mop because of the snow tracks that's in there. And then we'll get started painting. The car's extremely dirty from the snow. But let's take a look. We are getting started. Alright. There's Nellie. Getting started, let's go.
This is after the Rust-Oleum spray. Sprayed the whole van. These are some of my first layouts and the materials used. This is my first layout. Starting the flooring, adding the Havelock wool. Then I went to my first VanLife meetup with the Black Nomads meetup. It was really fun. This was the original build. Here I'm kind of showing you the cons related to this, but it served its purpose at that time. That's my pull-out sofa, and then I'm showing you how the cabinets were set up. My raised floor, that's my lithium battery. And then I was showing the cabinets were coming off the wall and the reason why I wanted to get a new layout. So I'm going to show you my travels the past 4 years to all 50 states, starting with Alabama. Here's the state, the capital, Montgomery, the Yellowhammer State. The first Mardi Gras was in Mobile, Alabama. And I really want to go to the unclaimed baggage store. I haven't been there yet. This is my family in Huntsville. And these are some sights I saw in Huntsville.
Is that crawfish song?
Huh?
It's a crawfish song?
Crawfish song?
It said suck the head.
I heard them say Cupid, but I ain't. Let me see. It must be about crawfish, huh? You taking a picture or you? Like even down on the river, we
Sorry about the wind, but beautiful water front that I wanted to show you all. Then when this is the Civil Rights Walk and the start of some of the sites I visited. Some of the statues were so, you could feel the emotion and breathtaking. I feel like you could see the movement here. Dr. Martin Luther King statue. With this statue, when you see the full view, is so powerful or impactful. They're really, the artistry is just outstanding. Here again, you can almost see the emotions in the dog. This is another beautiful art in the city, murals. And then explored a few more parks. Railroad Park. Beautiful sunset. In Birmingham, the railroad park.
Look at that beautiful tree.
Oh, look at those ducks. Y'all forgive me, I'm gonna keep saying Birmingham. And plus, it's been a long day of work, and then I get out and explore the cities. Birmingham. Birmingham. Oh, storm hitting. This is the ballpark. Legend Stadium. This is Busy Bees, I believe. It reminds me of Bucky's. This is a state park I visited. Mardi Gras in Mobile, Alabama. All right, this part of the vlog is called Spinster Review because my van name comes from the book Pride and Prejudice. Pemberley is an estate owned by Mr. Darcy, and during that time, if you were unmarried after 25 or so, you were considered a spinster. And I really enjoy a lot of Asian K dramas, and I love reading Pride and Prejudice variations. So I want to give you a review on some items that I've been watching and reading and see what you guys think about it. All right, for the first spinster review, we're going to talk about two shows or books or entertainment, whatever we want to call it. The show we're going to talk about is actually a Japanese drama series, action series. It's pretty dark, so if you don't like violence, this isn't for you, but it's about like characters' relationships. It's about a survival, playing games for survival. And I really enjoyed this drama. It's been worthy. I watched the 2 seasons in practically 2 to 3 days. So I would highly recommend, again, if you don't like violence, it is not for you. It's like Squid Games on steroids, I would say. Then I want to talk about Pride and Prejudice variations. I really love Pride and Prejudice. I've probably read over 1,000 Pride and Prejudice variations, hence my van name being Pemberley. And one of the first authors I read was Abigail Reynolds. Her books are medium angst, so you get a couple heart palpitations, but you're not like boohoo crying and just cannot take the book. Sometimes I can't take dramas that I have to stop, but her books are really pleasant reads, build up to the character's love story. I didn't want to just pick any of her books. I remember her from when I first started reading Pride and Prejudice variations, and I really enjoy her work. So read one of her books, check out Alice in Borderland, and tell me what you think. If you've already saw it, did you like it? Do you read Pride and Prejudice variations? Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see the other 49 states.